Did you know research shows many of us worry we must cut favorite foods at a certain stage of life to stay healthy? Here's the secret. Those fears can create more myths than facts. Let's explore the real science behind nutrition and clear up confusion about what truly helps or harms us. You'll see that we can still enjoy plenty of variety without sacrificing well-being. We'll look at 15 foods often labeled off limits, then 6 foods that can offer special benefits. Stick around because the last items might surprise you. First, let's tackle a common myth, the idea that metabolism grinds to a halt once you hit a certain point. Research suggests it may slow slightly over time, but the bigger factor is how we eat and move each day. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes that with balanced meals and regular activity, our bodies can keep thriving. It's not about swearing off entire food groups, it's about moderation. Protein, healthy fats, and quality carbs still matter. Now let's look at 15 foods some people claim we should avoid. These aren't always strict bans, but we should be aware of potential downsides. Number 15, sugary cereals. Many popular cereals have lots of added sugar, which can lead to blood sugar spikes and then crashes. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sugar for better heart health. Swap these cereals for ones with more fiber and less sweetener. Number 14, soda and other sweet drinks. They often provide empty calories. If you need fizz, seltzer with fruit slices can help you skip excess sugar. A big reason to cut back is that frequent sugar intake may raise cravings for more sweets. Number 13, large servings of fried foods. Things like fried chicken or fries can be high in unhealthy fats. A study in the British Medical Journal suggests that eating too many fried foods may affect heart health over time. Air frying or baking can give a similar taste with fewer greasy pitfalls. Number 12, processed meats like bacon, sausage, or hot dogs. They often contain preservatives and a lot of sodium. The World Health Organization says processed meats have links to certain health concerns when eaten frequently. Enjoy them in smaller amounts or as an occasional treat. Number 11, microwave popcorn loaded with butter flavoring. Plain popcorn is fine and has fiber, but artificial toppings can be packed with chemicals and salt. Some are labeled movie theater style and can contain more salt than a bag of potato chips. If you love popcorn, try air popping at home so you control what goes on top. Number 10, candy bars and baked sweets. These have plenty of sugar and often refined flour. One cookie might be fine, but many people end up eating multiple servings without noticing. Moderation is key because too much sugar can impact blood sugar levels and lead to crashes. Number 9, white bread and refined grains. These items break down quickly and can cause an immediate rise in blood sugar. Whole grains like whole wheat bread or brown rice keep us feeling fuller and help maintain steady energy. The Harvard School of Public Health points out that people who favor whole grains often have better overall health markers. Number 8, canned soups with high sodium. Soup itself can be nourishing, but some canned varieties can have more than half the recommended daily sodium in a single serving. The American Heart Association advises looking for reduced sodium or no salt added versions. Number 7, margarine containing trans fats. Though many brands have removed trans fats, some still have partially hydrogenated oils that may raise bad cholesterol. Check labels. Real butter or a small drizzle of olive oil might be a better choice in moderate amounts. Number 6, high sugar fruit juices. Even 100% juice can be high in natural sugars and lacks the fiber of whole fruit. Fiber helps slow how fast sugar hits the bloodstream. If you love juice, consider diluting it with water or having a small glass while focusing on whole fruits for daily intake. Number 5, alcohol in excess. Studies suggest that heavy drinking can stress the liver, raise blood pressure, and disrupt sleep. A small glass of wine or a moderate drink might be okay, but it's wise to limit intake to keep your system strong. Number 4, frozen meals loaded with preservatives and sodium. These are convenient, but some brands pack a day's worth of salt and additives into one meal. Look for healthier versions with whole grains and vegetables, or prepare extra homemade meals and freeze portions to reheat later. Number 3, flavored yogurt with lots of added sugar. Yogurt can promote gut health with probiotics, but the sweet versions might carry more sugar than a candy bar. If you like a sweeter taste, add fresh fruit or a little honey to plain yogurt. Number 2, pastries and donuts. They combine refined flour, sugar, and potentially trans fats. They taste good but can spike blood sugar and leave you hungry soon after. It's fine to enjoy one now and then, just don't rely on them daily. Number 1, flavored coffee drinks with whipped toppings. These can hold as many calories as a dessert. Syrups, whipped cream, and added sugar can leave you jittery, then crash your energy later. If you love them, choose fewer flavor pumps or smaller sizes. Notice we're not saying you must never eat these foods. It's about being mindful. A study from Harvard Health states that even as we grow older, we still need a wide range of nutrients. There's no rule requiring a total ban of typical favorites. Now for the 6 foods that can support a healthy routine. The last one might be especially relevant to what we've discussed. First, salmon and fatty fish. They're known for omega-3 fatty acids, which can help the heart and reduce inflammation. The American Heart Association suggests 2 servings of fatty fish a week for most individuals. Second, berries. These colorful fruits are filled with antioxidants, which may help protect cells and support mental function. Blueberries and raspberries are easy to throw on cereal or into smoothies. Third, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. They contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestion and bone health. The Journal of Nutrition says eating more greens may help keep blood pressure healthy. Fourth, whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These have fiber that can help stabilize blood sugar and support gut health. Fiber is also linked to healthy cholesterol levels. Fifth, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds bring protein, healthy fats, and nutrients like magnesium. A small handful can curb hunger without filling you with empty calories. Finally, beets or beetroot products. They contain nitrates that research in the Journal of Nutrition associates with better circulation and normal blood pressure. But if the taste puts you off, that's where Ultrabeet can help. It's a beetroot extract in capsule form, so you bypass the earthy flavor. There's a link and a coupon code in the description if you're curious to try these capsules for better blood flow support. If you have your own tips or ideas, please leave a comment below. We can help each other find ways to keep meals enjoyable and nutritious. Let's review the big picture. Science shows the body keeps working hard for us, so a balanced diet remains vital. It's not about ditching entire categories. It's about staying informed and making wise swaps. Protein repairs muscles, antioxidants help protect cells, calcium and vitamin D may assist with bone strength, and fiber helps with digestion and blood sugar. Water is still essential to keep our joints and cells happy. Many nutrition myths come from outdated info. Modern data tells us to watch out for trans fats, extra sugar, and too much salt, but not remove them completely. A little salt is necessary for fluid balance. Sugar from whole fruit, along with fiber, is different than concentrated sugar in candy or soda. Focus on quality, not extremes. If you're unsure, a registered dietitian or health professional can help you tailor a plan that fits your life. Changing small habits, like swapping out sugary drinks or opting for whole grains, can bring steady results. Sleep is crucial too. When we're tired, we may crave sugary snacks for an energy boost, so good rest can help us avoid that cycle. In the end, there's no strict rule demanding you give up your favorite foods at any age. The main question is, how often are we indulging, and what else are we eating to support overall wellness? Some worry about caffeine. Sensitivity varies. If coffee disrupts your sleep, you might switch to decaf or cut back after midday. But if you handle it well, it can still fit into a balanced diet. Protein shakes, fine if you find it hard to get enough protein from meals. Look for brands with fewer additives. Frozen veggies are another simple hack, picked at peak ripeness, often cheaper and easier to store. Cook with olive or avocado oil for healthy fats, and remember portion sizes. Dairy or dairy alternatives can be a great source of calcium and vitamin D if they're fortified. Greek yogurt is high in protein. Plant-based milks are an option for those avoiding dairy. The goal is to keep bones strong and energy steady, which requires a full spectrum of nutrients. Here's another how. Keep track of added sugars in sauces, dressings, or condiments. Some contain sugar as their second or third ingredient. A quick glance at labels can help us decide if we'd prefer a brand with fewer additives. Sometimes we can make simple home versions of dressings or dips to reduce sugar and salt. No one wants to fear mealtimes. By focusing on moderation and variety, we can still enjoy sweets or salty treats now and then. The key is building a diet around nutrient-dense foods, then sprinkling in those treats. Remember to check out Ultrabeet if you're interested in beetroot benefits without the strong taste. The link and a coupon code are in the description. Thanks for joining this conversation. Keep exploring facts, questioning myths, and fueling your body with what helps you feel energized.